Hey everybody, got a video here on how to change the carburetor on this MTD black 21 inch. It's a 139cc overhead valve engine. I cleaned the carburetor the other day in one of my videos and I was going to show you guys how to put it on this mower, and it's very simple to do. You only need something to pinch the fuel lines off. You can use a pair of needle nose pliers or a pair of these here, or they make some other clamps that you can put on them, but a pair of needle nose pliers works really good. Right down here is your fuel line, so you'll want to take these back in there, pinch it off so you don't lose the gas on it. You'll need a pair of needle nose pliers, but you can get by without those. Pop the cover off here. And you'll need a 10mm socket and ratchet, or you can use a little battery operated impact driver. Back that one out, and there's two more. There's not a whole lot to change in these. And this here cover comes off with the primer bulb, and it hooks on right here. You'll want to remove this hose, and you can move this off to the side. You'll have this gasket that'll go back on it. And there's the fuel line hose here. Which you will lose a little gas out of it, but not a whole lot. And you got the throttle linkage here and a spring. The spring just pops up out of there. And you'll have this here linkage, and just put it off to the side. And the carburetor slides right off of it. And I will have to grab the other one to put on. And this is the one I cleaned in my other video. We'll go ahead and put it on there. Always make sure your gasket's on. This gasket, I'm not sure how it's going to work. I made up for it, but it's not the original one that goes on it, so I may have to order one. Go ahead and slide that on, and you can put your fuel line back on if you want. And this one is a bigger inlet part, so I'm probably going to have to change the hose on it here. But anyway, the hose goes back on there on this one. As you can see, this hair part's a different size, so I will have to put a different size hose on there to make it work. Use these so you guys can see it better. This just hooks back into there. And this spring just hooks back into that little hole there. And just make sure it moves there like it should. And you'll have this gasket that goes back on. That'll go on, and you put your bolt back in here and your two nuts, and you just put your air filter and cover back on and take your clamp off, and that's all there is to changing this carburetor. I'm going to leave it on done because I'm going to have to change out hose on there to make this work. But pretty simple, basic, anyone can do it really. Just takes a couple tools. And don't forget to like my videos, comment, subscribe, hit the notification button, and have a great day everyone. Bye.